Thank you so much for your interest in these flat back earrings. These are handmade earrings by our team, and I'm going to go over every single thing you need to know about them. So basically, each earring, and I will show them below, is handmade with a gold fill, rose gold fill, or sterling silver front, and they are soldered meticulously by our team onto a solid 14 karat gold pin. If you've never worn these earrings before, it's pretty simple. You're going to have your front, and then you are going to have your back. You'll notice that the back is actually made of solid titanium, and it's 8 millimeters long, so it's really good for a standard earlobe piercing. So to install your earrings, what you're gonna do is you are going to insert, and I will show below, the front of the earring partially into the back, and then you are going to, using the back, slightly bend your earring, the pin on the back of the earring. This will create tension and really good hold while the earring is in your ear. One hot tip, don't do this over the sink. You definitely don't want to lose them down the drain. If you have any trouble putting these earrings in or installing them by yourself, you can always make an appointment with your local piercer and they can definitely help you put these in. Make sure they're snug so you don't have to worry about it. We have lots of options to choose from. They're all very allergy friendly. Everything we make is nickel free too, so you don't have to worry about that. If you need any further information on them, we have a gorgeous FAQ page dedicated to flat back earrings. So, thanks for watching.